1. Emergency stop button. Press the machine's emergency stop button. The remote will display chassis emergency stop button pressed. Rotate the button counterclockwise to release the emergency stop state. If both emergency stop buttons are pressed, both must be released to exit the emergency state. To release the emergency stop button, rotate it counterclockwise. The button will automatically pop up. Pressing the emergency stop button on the remote also stops the machine. Displaying remote control stop button triggered. Press again to resume. Pressing it again will exit the stop state. 2. Ultrasonic sensor. When the machine moves forward, the ultrasonic radar sensor detects obstacles within 1 meter. The yellow light will show to warn and slow down. If the obstacle is too close, the red light will show and the machine will stop. Use the reverse joystick to move away from the obstacle. Go to Settings, Advanced, to adjust the ultrasonic radar sensitivity, and also can disable the ultrasonic radar in settings if necessary. 3. Collision detection. When turn of the ultrasonic sensor. If the machine moves forward and hits an obstacle, the collision sensor will be triggered and the machine will stop. You can release the stop state by using the reverse joystick or pressing the C2 button. Go to Settings, Advanced, can disable the collision sensor. In this mode, the machine will not stop when it hits an obstacle. The collision sensor is made of foam. Avoid contact with sharp objects to prevent punctures. Even if the foam is damaged, the sensor can still function normally, as long as the internal components are intact. 4. Distance detection sensor. In an open area, if the machine is more than 20 meters away from the remote control, it will display long-distance operation. Reversing disabled for safety. Go to Settings, Advanced, and turn off distance detection to remove the distance limit. 5. Rear cover sensor. During operation, if the rear grass cover is opened, the machine will stop. Go to Settings, Advanced, and turn off the rear cover sensor to disable this detection. 6. Tilt detection sensor. If the machine's tilt angle exceeds 45 degrees, the tilt sensor will be triggered, and the machine will stop operating. 7. Reverse speed limitation. The machine's reverse speed is defaulted to 0.5 meters per second. Go to Settings, Advanced, and disable Reverse Limit to allow the reverse speed to match the forward speed. 8. Remote control sensitivity settings. Go to Settings, Advanced, Speed Sensitivity to adjust the sensitivity of the remote control's forward stick. Set curvature to the far left for the lowest sensitivity and easiest control. Go to Settings, Advanced, Direction Sensitivity to adjust the sensitivity of the remote control's rotation stick. Set curvature to the far left for the lowest sensitivity and easiest control. 9. Troubleshooting walking issues. If the machine is in a red stop state, you can remove obstacles or disable the ultrasonic sensor. Release the emergency stop button on the machine. Check if the stop button on the remote is pressed, or view specific errors in the remote status bar. If the issue cannot be resolved, please take photos of the fault details and error codes and contact the MOWRATOR after-sales team.